Hey friends, hello and welcome back to this YouTube channel. In today's another video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can erase a line in Microsoft Word. So without further ado, let's go quick into the process. So currently I have this Microsoft Word document where I have this table and I have some lines in here that I have draw. So how did I do that? First is you need to click on insert, click on table, click on draw table. Now if you want to divide some lines on your table, some sections on your table, you can simply do that. Now on how you can erase that using the eraser, then click on the table layout from here. And here you'll find eraser. Click on that and simply erase the part where you want to be erased like that. You can also erase the line that you didn't draw, like just from the table itself that you have inserted on the document. So you just need to simply click on eraser and then drag it to the line where you want to erase. And after that, that will be erased directly. So as you can see, like that. Now also, if you want to, or if you are drawing something on your document and you want to use the eraser, then you can simply do that. Now let's open another blank page. And here, let me quickly draw something. Let's say, for example, we're going to draw. So you are drawing on your document and there are some parts that you want to erase as it is unnecessary. Let's say, for example, if you want to erase the overlapping lines from your drawing, now click on this eraser option and then simply use that to erase the line or the part that you want to erase. And if I'm going to erase it, I'm just going to drag the eraser to this point or to that specific area. And as easy as that. So that's it. That's how you can easily use the eraser on your Microsoft Word document. So I hope this video helped you. Kindly please do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you for watching.